Does spray foam insulation really work for sound deadening? Let's talk about it. Welcome to Foam University. Today we're going to address the question, does spray foam insulation really work for sound deadening? Before we get into that, please go below, hit that like button for us. It really helps us out. So, the first thing we have to address is what causes sound transfer in our homes from room to room and from floor to floor. Well, there's a lot of things, but let's keep it simple for a minute. Really, the building material is a big thing. So keep in mind, we have drywall, we have studs. That solid material can transfer sound through. It can reverberate sounds from room to room, floor to floor. So any solid connection, keep in mind that can happen. The next thing we want to look at is if you have ducts or plumbing inside your walls. So if you think about your ductwork, if you have a heat register going from one bedroom and that duct line trees off from the main furnace and another room is also connected to that same line, that can be an easy route for sound to go from one room to another room. Like we said, plumbing. A lot of times we have customers call in and complain when they turn their water on, they hear the pipe flex or move and creak and make all kinds of weird noises. That's something that will send sound all throughout that cavity, wherever that pipe is. The last thing we want to look at is what's not in your wall. So we talked about solid materials, ducts, plumbing. Something else is if there's nothing in that stud space. So if you have a bedroom that's right next to a living area and all that's separating the two rooms is drywall, some studs, and another sheet of drywall, there's nothing in there to physically stop sound from getting through to the other side. So lack of building material, whether that's insulation or some type of actual soundproofing material, can cause sound transfer. Now, if we look at spray foam and how that plays into this, yes, spray foam can help with sound deadening. But we really have to specifically look at sound deadening versus soundproofing. They are two very completely different things. And you, as the homeowner, need to make sure that your expectations are accurate for what you're putting in the home. So again, spray foam can sound deadening. Can that come as a secondary benefit? Absolutely. We have homeowners tell us all the time, you know, at the end of the install, we noticed the road noise was really cut down. We see that all the time. But again, it's not really what it's designed for, although it can come as a secondary benefit. If you're looking for actual soundproofing, if you have a room in the house that's used for something like a music studio or doing videos, whatever the case, if you really want soundproofing, you should really look at some proprietary materials that are designed specifically to actually cut down noise to the point that it's soundproofing and not just sound deadening. So really this comes down to your expectations, what you're looking for, and understanding the building materials that you're putting in your home. If you want to learn more about sound deadening and spray foam, please check out the link below. Don't forget, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and ring that bell to see all of our notifications.